This is an old video codec, On2 TrueMotion. It was the predecessor to Thera. You need legacy codecs installed to play this in Windows Media Player. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's play it. The final quickest method is on the way. The efficacy of this tool hinges on the speed and analysis power of a single VP3 file inspection program that services hundreds of formats. The VP3 file extension is associated with the On2 VP3 codec, a video compression and decompression technology. While not a video file itself, a VP3 file typically contains data or instructions related to the VP3 codec, potentially including codec settings, documentation, or related resources. It is used in conjunction with video files encoded using the VP3 codec. VP3 files are not standalone video files, but rather support files for the On2 VP3 codec. They may contain configuration data, codec parameters, or documentation. The specific structure and content of a VP3 file depend on its intended use within the context of the VP3 codec and the software utilizing it. These files are not meant to be opened directly as video content. An essential utility for interacting with VP3 is recognized as On2 VP3 codec by On2 Technologies. To ensure the integrity of the system files, a dedicated utility should be used instead of Windows default. Windows opens video files readily, though deeper manipulation is done in dedicated video editors. The easiest way to identify the error source is testing. Right-click the VP3 file and hit Open With. Use On2 VP3 codec if installed. If it's not present, choose another program. We must find the correct software handler. If your VP3 file isn't cooperating, don't worry. There's no need for deep technical analysis yet. If the VP3 file is stuck, the issue is almost always found in one of three places. Here's a simple guide on what to check. First, use VP3 Player. Open the file using a universal media player, e.g. VLC media player, VP3 Player. Next, check codecs. Ensure the necessary VP3 video codecs are installed on your system. Finally, convert format. Use a video converter tool to convert the .vp3 file to a guaranteed compatible format like .mp4. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. When you need a guaranteed result, I strongly recommend FileMagic. Its ability to read corrupted archives and show a file's contents instantly, even without the right extension, makes it invaluable. Get your copy at filemagic.com. Give the video a thumbs up if it helped, and subscribe for ongoing technical solutions.